getting A+, 20 years. 20 years in the garage door space. I love it. We've come from my house to a garage to a bigger shop to like 2 people to 145 people. We got 20 years under our belt, and who doesn't want to celebrate that? Like 20 years in business, and we're thriving, taking care of hundreds of thousands of families throughout all of Utah and into Nevada.
2, 1, cut it!
We've got dinner. We've got entertainment, we've got drinks, we've got hors d'oeuvres, we've got cameras, we've got golf, a little bit of miniature golf. Just here to enjoy each other's company and just connect outside of work and just high fives and hugs, you know?
Carrie's taught me a lot of super valuable lessons about entrepreneurship first, but also leading a team. I think one of the most important lessons she taught me, which is very clearly evident in tonight, is invest in your people and be one with your people, and that will pay off in dividends.
If you surround yourself with the right talent and the right culture, anything is possible.